Where to go if you have 18 days in Japan? This itinerary is quite intense, but you can manage to see a lot. To slow down a bit and have a more relaxing pace, we stayed 2 nights in some places. We are starting with Tokyo as we arrive here. Tokyo is the biggest city in the world, and it's impossible to see everything in a few days. But there's so much more to see in Japan besides Tokyo. You can see a full video of each day of the trip. I'll put a link in the description. It's time to leave Tokyo and take the Shinkansen. We are traveling to Shizuoka prefecture. First stop is Mishima. Fuji is blocked by the clouds today. It would look like this in a sunny day. We take a bus to Shiraito Falls. These are beautiful waterfalls close to Fuji Mountain. All this traveling takes time and it's dark already. It's time to go to our next hotel in Shimada. Why are we staying in Shimada? Because we can jump on a train that takes us deeper in a scenic Oi River Valley. Followed by a bus, we can get to Oigawa Railway, a train line known for its amazing sights and landscapes. This station is the most popular on the line. After a little hike, you can see it from above. It's time to find our way to a traditional Japanese onsen in the mountains and experience Japanese food which is prepared there. We are going to Osaka today, but first there's a place which is a must-see in the area. It's the Yumi no Tsuribashi suspension bridge, which is around half an hour walk from the village. We have to get out of the valley and get back to Shinkansen to catch a Friday night in Osaka. It's a complete opposite from what we experienced in the morning. We also go to Kyoto the next day and try to see a few places, because there's a lot to see in Kyoto. And it can get very crowded too, especially on a weekend. We are moving towards Hiroshima today, but first it's time to visit the biggest and most famous castle in Japan, the Himeji Castle. And it is really impressive. We also go to Kure to see submarines, planes, and of course Yamato Battleship Museum, the biggest battleship ever built. In Hiroshima we have just one day, but you can easily spend more time here. It's the biggest city in the area, with a lot of things to see. Of course everyone knows Hiroshima as the city where an atomic bomb was first used, and there are many atomic bomb related memorials and places which you can visit. Of course, coming to Hiroshima and not trying okonomiyaki would be a crime. Our journey continues to the westernmost JR station, Sasebo. We don't have much time to spend here, as we catch a boat at 7 AM to go to a unique island which has many cats and abandoned buildings. It's like a place from a post-apocalyptic movie or a video game like Last of Us. Nagasaki is next on the list, where we spend 2 nights. To see it from above and do a little trip to a famous island which used to be a coal mine. Gunkanjima is accessible only by tour, which you need to book in advance. Nagasaki is a beautiful city without a big tourist crowds. It's time to continue our journey through Kyushu Island. Kagoshima is the furthest point where you can travel with Shinkansen. It's famous for its very active volcano Sakurajima, and it's greeting us with an eruption as we arrive. Kagoshima is another city worth visiting in Kyushu, with many places to see. It's time to go even more south and fly to Okinawa. We have rented a car near Naha airport and will stay in 4 different places and drive around the whole island. Okinawa has a lot to offer and there are many options where to stay and where to go. After Okinawa, it's time to return to mainland Japan and fly back to Tokyo. It's nice to come back to Tokyo again and see other places this time. But for now it's time to say goodbye to Tokyo and go to our last hotel in Chiba. The urban monorail in Chiba is a really impressive sight. It's also the longest suspension rail in the world. We have a late flight back from Narita airport, so going to explore Narita city is a perfect option. It takes around 15 minutes to get to the airport from the city. The temples and pagodas in Narita are impressive. A really nice walk to finish your trip in Japan. Maybe you can get some idea from this itinerary. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.